Ever wondered how kickboxing can transform your fitness routine? Imagine a workout that not only gets your heart racing but also strengthens every muscle group, all while improving your flexibility. Kickboxing does just that. It's a holistic workout that combines the of cardio with the power of strength training and the grace of flexibility exercises. It's not just about throwing punches and kicks, it's about pushing limits and discovering what you're truly capable of. Let's dive into the world of kickboxing and see how you can incorporate it into your routine. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more fitness tips and workouts. Kickboxing is a blend of boxing and martial arts, offering a full-body workout. In kickboxing, your stance is your fortress. It starts with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and hands up protecting your face. This basic stance provides balance and stability, allowing you to strike with power and defend with efficiency. Footwork, the dance of kickboxing, is just as crucial. It's about moving fluidly, being light on your feet, and always staying in balance. Whether you're advancing, retreating, or moving side to side, it's key to maintaining your stance and staying in control. Balance and coordination are the unsung heroes of kickboxing. They're essential to execute moves effectively, to transition smoothly between defense and offense, to strike with precision and evade with agility. It's the harmony of these elements that makes a successful kickboxer. So remember, it all begins here. Mastering the basics provides a solid foundation for your kickboxing journey. Now that you have the basics down, it's time to learn some key kickboxing moves. First up, we have the jab. This is a quick, straight punch thrown with the lead hand. Imagine you're aiming for your opponent's nose. Extend your arms straight out, rotating your forearm so that your fist is horizontal at the point of impact. Then, quickly retract your arm, returning to your starting stance. Next, we have the cross. This is a powerful punch thrown with the rear hand straight across the body. The power comes from the rotation of the hips and the torso, not just the arm. Imagine you're aiming for your opponent's chin. Make sure to keep your other hand up, guarding your face. Then, we have the hook. This punch is thrown in a semi-circular motion with the lead hand, targeting the side of the opponent's head. Remember to pivot on your lead foot and turn your hips and shoulders into the punch for maximum power. Following the hook, we have the uppercut. This punch is thrown upwards from a slight dip or squat, targeting the opponent's chin. The power of the uppercut comes from the legs and hips. Make sure to keep your other hand up, guarding your face. Now let's move on to kicks. First, we have the front kick. This is a linear kick, thrown straight ahead. You lift your knee and thrust your foot forward, as if you're kicking down a door. Aim for the opponent's midsection with the ball of your foot. Next is the side kick. This kick is thrown laterally, with your body turned to the side. You lift your knee and thrust your foot out to the side, as if you're pushing something away with the blade of your foot. Aim for the opponent's midsection or knee. Finally, we have the roundhouse kick. This kick is a sweeping motion, thrown in an arc. You pivot on your standing foot and swing your other leg around, striking with the top of your foot. Aim for the opponent's head, neck, or ribs. Remember, practice makes perfect. Regularly working on these moves will improve your form and effectiveness. With these moves in your arsenal, how do you structure a kickboxing workout? Well, an effective kickboxing workout typically follows a four-part structure. First up is the warm-up. This is a crucial phase where you get your body ready for action, increasing your heart rate and loosening up those muscles. It might involve some light cardio or stretching. Remember, a good warm-up helps prevent injuries. Next, we move to technique training. This is where you refine those punches, kicks, and blocks we talked about earlier. Precision and form are key here, so take your time and don't rush. Then comes the fun part, combinations. This is where you string together the moves you've learned into fluid, dynamic sequences. It's a great way to challenge yourself and keep things interesting. Finally, we have the cool down. This is just as important as the warm-up. It helps your body recover and reduces the risk of muscle soreness. Consistency is key in kickboxing, like any other fitness routine. Keep at it, and you'll see amazing results. Kickboxing offers a dynamic, engaging way to stay fit and active. Remember, kickboxing isn't just about the punches and kicks. It's a full-body workout that improves your cardio, strength, and agility. We've walked through the basics, the key moves, and even how to structure your workout. Now it's your turn. Give kickboxing a try and feel the difference. So, are you ready to kickstart your fitness journey with kickboxing? The power is in your hands, or should we say, your fists and feet.